Hey everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks, where we dive into life hacks and tools to help you unlock your potential. Today, we're talking about the best tips to achieve a truly successful life. Success means different things to each of us, but there are some universal principles that can guide anyone. So, let's jump right into it. Tip 1. Set clear goals and visualize them. First up, know where you're going. It sounds simple, but setting clear goals and visualizing them is essential. Studies show that people who write down the goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Close your eyes and imagine your success. What does it look like? This vision becomes your motivation, guiding you through tough days. Tip 2. Embrace lifelong learning. Successful people never stop learning. They stay curious, read books, and ask questions. The world is always changing, and new skills can open doors you never even knew existed. So make a habit of learning something new every day. Even small knowledge gains can have a huge impact over time. Tip 3. Build a strong network. You've heard it before, your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Attend events, join groups, or simply reach out to people whose work you admire. A strong network provides resources, guidance, and opportunities. Tip 4. Practice self-discipline. Nothing great was ever achieved without self-discipline. This means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Break down your big goals into daily habits, and stay consistent. Over time, self-discipline becomes a powerful habit that drives you forward. Tip 5. Take care of your health. You can't achieve success if you're constantly feeling low on energy. Prioritize your health by eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. A healthy body fuels a healthy mind, giving you the stamina to pursue your dreams. Tip 6. Be adaptable and open to change. In a fast-paced world, adaptability is a superpower. Plans change, challenges arise, and the ability to adapt can set you apart. When something unexpected happens, ask yourself, how can I use this to my advantage? Instead of fearing change, embrace it. Tip 7. Stay grateful and positive. Success isn't just about achieving big goals. It's also about appreciating where you are now. Practice gratitude daily, and stay positive. This mindset keeps you motivated and attracts more positive opportunities. Remember, gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have. To recap, success is a journey made up of small, consistent actions. Set clear goals, keep learning, build a strong network, stay disciplined, prioritize your health, embrace change, and never forget gratitude. These are the keys that can unlock a life of purpose and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating your best life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.